How to create UPS account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can easily create a UPS account. Now to do so, you can head into your browser on any of your device, and there on the browser you want to search in for ups.com. In my case, you can see here I'm on ups.com. Here if I head back here, you can see I simply searched in for UPS, and the very first link www.ups.com appeared there, and you can simply tap on it and you'll be able to open it. Now to sign into account, here to sign up to the account, what you want to do is you want to tap on the profile icon. At the top right corner you can see three different icons: the search icon, profile icon in the yellowish icon, that, and beside it you can see the three horizontal line icons. Simply tap on the profile icon that you see there and it'll show you up the sign in options. Now if you already have a profile, you can simply enter in your email, username, continue, or log in through Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, or Twitter. However, if you don't have one, you can simply tap on sign up option and there you'll be able to sign up to your account. Now here you can see I'm on the sign up page. Now let this load up, it might take some time. Once this loads up, all you have to do is you'll have to enter in whether you want to open up a personal or a business account, and there enter in all the details: your first and last name, email, your country code, and your phone number, and then your username and password. And I agree, make sure to check this I agree option and then simply tap on sign up and you'll be able to sign up. However, if you want to easily sign up using your Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, or Twitter account, you can simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, it'll ask you to choose your account details and enter in your account details. So once you do so, you'll be able to easily create an account. So this way you can create UPS account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.